We got some ice cream. I have cranberry yogurt. It smells absolutely amazing. And love, what do you have?
Vietnam version of King Cone.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Oh. What a braai at the waterfall. Looks amazing. Look at this lady sitting on the love bridge, throwing her coin into the water, wishing for love. When will my prince come? Emotional eater. These 15 seconds might have been a joke, but the last 5 seconds is the absolute truth. This place is huge and it has facilities for so many people, but there's no one here.
We think it's due to COVID, but there's so little people here.
Yeah, probably.
Sad though.
We got the whole place for ourselves.
So they actually have like a foot massage, but these little fishes that eat the dead skin of your feet.
I want to do it. What's wrong with the tree?
It's like in oh my goodness, what's the movie's name? With the blue men?
Smurfs?
No. Avatar.
Avatar.
The miracle tree.
Oh, the miracle tree. So this is where we're staying tonight. I booked this place. Love, I booked this place for us. We're staying here in the creepy house.
We're on our way back to the resort, but it was a mission to get a taxi to be able to drive back because we came with
Took us
a grab.
about an hour.
Yeah, pretty much. Because we took a grab when we came to Giang Dien, and then when we tried to get a grab to leave at 4:15, they said nobody's going to be able to get to us until like 5. So we thought, okay, maybe let's try and organize a taxi. And then I didn't have airtime on my phone. Love's phone was flat because of all the shooting. So we had to walk all the way to the front. So how far do you think is that about?
I don't know, but it took us a good 20 to 30 minutes.
Yeah, probably.
To walk all the way to the front.
It was far. So we walked all the way to the front, and then we asked the guy at the front, the reception pretty much, to please call a taxi for us, and he organized a taxi for us. So, and then we pretty much left at 5.
I think
So
if you're driving out of the town to the city or whatever, it's easy to get a grab because there are grabs there, but they don't drive this far out, so you won't get a grab this far.
Yeah.
So
the taxi is a bit more expensive than grab, but we'll see. We'll look at the price now. I'll add it.
Lesson learned, figure out how taxis work before you go.
Yeah.
Or get a scooter.
We just arrived back at the resort, and oh my goodness, look how stunning all the lights are. It feels like Christmas. Now this is what I call room service. It looks so amazing. We got 2 seafood rices, and I think that's soy sauce, and then pork spring rolls, and then Love also has beef and french fries.
Because yes, we are hungry.
After our busy day, we almost ate nothing, so we are going to eat all of this. have some water, some coffee, and then for breakfast you get all these type of different Asian food like noodles, spring rolls, normale, borschies, sausages. I couldn't think English, is too early. And then you get some dim sums, and this one has prawn and like a salmon something. I'm not sure what's in that, probably pork.
We'll find out.
And
And
then
fried rice, a beef and onion stuff, but there wasn't much left. Tomato.
and the rest
And
pretty
the
much the same Asian style food.
They've got Cocoa
And
Pops.
Cocoa Pops, so that's gonna be our dessert. And then also a lot of fruit, which is absolutely amazing. I have my favorite dragon fruit there again, and then I have some toast because I give you cheese and strawberry. It's a beef.
Sorry, no, pork.
Pork. Is it nice?
Queen of the swimming pool.
Ik wat lachen, ik
Take two. Did you just bat me? Huh?
Now my hair went into my mouth.
I don't want to keep that. Vietnam squirrels.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more videos from us, please subscribe and comment below. See you guys in the next one. Bye.